The stress test, for people that don't know, you have to qualify at a 2% above the Bank of Canada contract rate, correct?
So if you're paying 4.5 on a 5-year deal, you're got to qualify at 6.5. They're shorter term, so they're coming up for renewal more often. They're going to be stuck in that cycle of higher rates, higher fees for a while. It's almost like mortgage jail, I call it, right?
And if you look at the amount of power sales currently on the market, Vince, it's all from alternative lending, B lending, or B lending right now too. And majority of the power sales on the market are from those institutions.
Correct. And that was one of the things we talked about. You know, like, let's look at the capacity to pay. Let's look at the collateral, the capital. Do they fit the stress test, and that's it. So everything else goes out the window. When you look at a $500,000 mortgage, and we know that mortgages are a lot more than that in our markets, 1.5% plus fees is $12,500, let alone the renewal fee, the broker fee, and all that stuff, right, on the alternative space. So what are the banks doing? The banks are just doing less, tightening the credit. So that means 99.8% of people are paying. And what senators were really frustrated with was OSFI tends to come in with just stats and word salad. And they're not necessarily helping Canadians. They're actually trying to give them less access to low-paying debt.